पॉईंट म्हटल्यार 2-3 अनाउन्समेंट करपाचे आसले GCA कडल्यान जी डिसिजन मॅनेजिंग कमिटीन घेतलेली आहा ती. सो पयले मेन डिसिजन म्हटल्यार अंडर 16 आनी अंडर 19 फुडल्या सिजनाक प्रिपेर करपा खातीर आमी आतांच ओपन सिलेक्शन्स आपयता. ऑल ओवर गोवा भुरगे ह्या सेंटराचेर आफोवन आमी ओपन सिलेक्शन्स घेतले. मेजर हे डिसिजन घेवपाचे फाटले रिजन म्हटल्यार तुमकां खबर आसतलें की कोविडा खातीर 2-3 वर्सां भुरग्यांची पिड्ड्यार जाली आनी 2-3 वर्सां भुरग्यांची पिड्ड्यार जाली आनी त्या खातीर अंडर 16 BCCI कडल्यानूय जावना, अंडर 19 फूल फ्लॅज सुद्दां जावना. सो खंय तरी मातशें भुरग्यांचें प्रिपेरेशन कमी पडटा आनी हे प्रिपेरेशन कमी पडलेल्या कारणान गोवा असलेले स्मॉल स्टेट आमच्या कडेन भरपूर मॅचीसूय खेळोवपाच्यो आसता, डिविजन मॅचीस म्हणा, स्कूल मॅचीस म्हणा, खंय तरी आमी फाटीं पडटा. सो फुडल्या वर्साक प्रिपेरेशन करपा खातीर ह्या वर्सानूच स्टार्ट केलेले. वी थॉट इट वॉज एडवायजेबल आनी वी आर गोईंग अहेड विथ इट. हेचें प्रिपेरेशन आमच्या डायरेक्टरान सगळें केलेलें आसा. गुगल फॉर्म्स घातलेले आसा आनी वी आर इनवायटींग पीपल टू फील अप दोज फॉर्म्स आनी हांगासर मागीर आमी येवन सिलेक्शन्स करतले. अंडर आवर कोचीस हू आर लेवल 1 एंड लेवल 2 कोण कोण आसतले तेंच्या अंडर ही ट्रेनिंग जातली आनी फूल एक वर्साचो प्लॅन अलॉंग विथ द कोचीस एंड द ट्रेनर आमी एक चॉकआउट करतले विच वील बी हेल्पफूल फॉर देम फॉर द नेक्स्ट इयर फॉर BCCI मॅचीस. दुसरो मेजर अनाउन्समेंट म्हटल्यार आमी लास्ट टायम सांगलेलें की वी आर गोईंग अहेड विथ सेंटर्स. सेंटर्स म्हटल्यार एज यू ऑल नो GCA इतली वर्सां इज फंक्शनींग ओनली इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ सिलेक्शन्स ऑर सेंडिंग द टीम्स आउटसायड टू प्ले फॉर BCCI टुर्नामेंट्स. एक खरें जी इनिशिएटीव जावंक जाय आसली की भुरग्यांक 365 days a year खंय तरी ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम आसूंक जाय आसलो तो खंय तरी आमच्या कडल्यान मिसींग आसलो. ते लक्षांत घेवन आमी सेंटरां तयार करता. एट द मोमेंट 8 जागे टोटल आयडेंटिफाय केलेले आसा ऑल ओवर गोवा. भितरले 4-5 जाग्यांचेर आमी प्रिमियम फेसिलिटी करतले वीच वील हॅव 3-4 पिचीस ईच टर्फ विकेट आनी जे बेजीक सेंटर्स आसतले अंडर 14 किंवा अंडर 16 दे वील हॅव कॉन्क्रीट पिचीस विथ एस्ट्रोटर्फ. सो अशी आज सेंटर आयडेंटिफाय केलेले आसा. आनी गुड थिंग इज दॅट ऑन 6th डे आफ्टर टुमोरो वी आर स्टार्टींग अवर फर्स्ट सेंटर एट सांगेम. 35 or 32 स्कूल्सांक आमी ऑलमोस्ट इन्वायट केलेला. थंयसरले भुरगे येतले. वी वील हॅव अ कॅम्प, बेजीक कॅम्प ऑफ 12 days आनी देन वी वील शॉर्टलिस्ट दोज बॉयज आनी एक डायरेक्शनल ट्रेनिंग तांकां दितले वेर बाय वन ऑफ आवर कोच परेश पडियार वील बी टेकिंग ओवर आनी तो तांकां एक लेवल 1 कोच म्हणून आतां क्वॉलिफाय जालेलो आहा. सो ही वील बी टेकिंग ओवर आनी तांकां एक त्या टायपची ट्रेनिंग दितले वेर बाय तेंचे जे पॅरामिटर्स आहा भुरग्याचे स्ट्रेंथ म्हणा, एजिलिटी म्हणा, पावर म्हणा, हे सगळो एक बेजीक पॉयंट टू फायनल एंड एका वर्सा मागीर कितें आसूंक जाय तो एक ट्रेनर आमचो चॉकआउट करून फायनली एक वर्सा मागीर तेंचे असेसमेंट जातले. सो ह्या डायरेक्शनान आमी वयतात. तिसरें म्हटल्यार आमी NCA कडल्यान लेवल 1 कोचिजां खातीर कॅम्प हे केल्लो, एक ट्रायल आहली. तितूर आमचे 13 भुरगे फ्रेशर्स हॅव क्वॉलिफायड फॉर लेवल 1 विच इज अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर गोवा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन. हे सगळे भुरगे ह्या सेंटरांचेर आसतले आमच्या. Major announcement is that last 2 years there was no scope for Premier League. So this year we are going ahead with Premier League, which is a 3-day tournament. 6 teams are participating in that and auction system an हे करपाचे हा, point based auction system, not money wise. त्या हितूर 1,10,000 चे टोटल पॉइंट्स आसतले आनी on 11th we are having this auction. The reason we are having it on 11th is that आमची मोस्टली टीम 9th or 8th दे आर रिटर्निंग 25 टीम तेंचे कन्सेंट घेवन फिटनेस पळोवन फिजिओचो रिपोर्ट घेवन देन दे वील बी अवेलेबल फॉर ऑप्शन सो दॅट देर इज नो इनजस्टिस ऑन दीस टीम्स हू आर पिकिंग द प्लेयर्स. This tournament will start on 20th and 2 grounds are finalized for this tournament. One is Panjim Gymkhana and one is Sangam, which is our own ground. So the tournaments will be held in these 2 grounds आणि त्यांची फायनल्स almost how long will it total days कितले असतात ते?
Final almost
15 within 15 days the tournament will end. Draws will be finalized on the auction day itself. आणि एक तांकां स्ट्रक्चर दिलेलो आहा आमी ऑलमोस्ट. I will explain you what is the basic thing.
Which are the 6 teams?
I will tell you. One is Dempo, second is Chaugule, third is Karimabad, fourth is Salgaonkars, fifth is MCC Margao and sixth is Gino.
Karimabad, Dempo, Chogle, Karimabad, then
Salgaonkars, MCC and Gino. So we have categorized our players based on the shortlist of selection processes. We have categorized them as Elite A, Elite B, and Plate Group. In this Elite A, most of the players are from Ranji. Elite B, there are some from 19, the good ones from 19 and the 25 shortlist. And the Plate Group, it is mostly of 19s, and some people are there from the A division who have performed extremely well. Extraordinary जे कोणी perform केला, we want to give them a chance because खूप फावटी अशें जाता की एक प्लेयर जो ए डिविजनाक खेळटा he sometimes doesn't get an opportunity in the selection process, but he can play matches well or he can perform well at matches. So those players we are giving an opportunity. Now it depends on the teams whether they want to take him at auction or no. आता थोडेशे कंपल्शन्स आमी केला टीमिंग खातीर so that all these groups normally कितें जाता teams वयता बऱ्या प्लेयरां खातीरूच. So under 19 player or 25 they don't get a chance. That is why there are some compulsions for these teams. So in the squad of 16 players, there will be 4 Elite A players, 5 Elite B players, 4 Plate players, and 2 local players which are unlisted. So we have given flexibility to the teams also. They have an opportunity to pick local players also who have not played for A division, but are good enough from their point of view to play for their team. So these are the basic guidelines which will be forwarding to all these clubs. So these are the major 3 points which we wanted to present in the managing committee. One is the under 16, under 19 preparation for the next season. Second is the premier, and third is the centers which will be starting. So are there any questions or any?
There are only 2 grounds on this circle. Why this ground is not available?
No, we are hosting B division matches on this ground which will go up to 29th May. After that we cannot have because we are not sure whether the monsoon season is arriving early or late, so it is unpredictable. That is why we are hosting it on Panjim Gymkhana and Sangam.
पण ट्रॅव्हलिंग डिस्टन्स जावचा ना मागीर
Exactly.
सो
But they have to do it. I mean, Goa is a very small state. You know, if you compare Karnataka people travel from one point to the other, which is a big distance.
You say 8 centers, one is Sangam, which are the other 7?
You want other centers, okay. So Sangam, we have the first center. At the moment, we have shortlisted these. Some of the centers we are yet to have their land there. So one is Sangam, second is Porvorim, third is Panjim Gymkhana. MCC, we are about to enter into an MOU with MCC. So we are hoping to do it very soon. Darbandwada is there. Then Sakre one center we have identified. Khandola is there. Kankona is there. Also in Bardes, we are trying to identify one more center. We are very positive about it. We hope that in the next 1 or 2 months, the results will come and we will have a center there as well.
So all these centers will be run on the same system.
Yeah.
There won't be.
All these centers except for, I'll tell you, because I've told you about the basic center as well as the premium center. So centers like MCC, whereby we will have more pitches, we can accommodate under 14, under 16 as well as the senior boys to train every day. Centers like Gymkhana, centers like Porvorim, where we have lot of pitches. Apart from that, centers like Darbandwada also, where there is a ground there, so that those boys can play matches on weekends or weekdays, whatever, whenever they are comfortable. Centers like Khandola or Sakri, if they have a ground there, then we will go ahead with the premium centers only.
What's the age group for the center?
Centers, basic centers will have age group from under 14, under 16 max. And these premium centers will have under 14, under 16 also all above. We are also looking for options for under 12 as well. As you know, it is very competitive now. So training the boys at age of 14 or 16 is quite late, because as you know, under 19 India खेळटा represent करता भुरगे, and our standard compared to them is quite low. So we were also thinking about options of starting with under 12 as well. At the moment it's not decided, but if it's decided we'll let you know soon.
कोचेस कोण असतात?
सगळे आमचे क्वालिफाईड जे आहा पळय लेवल 1 कोचेस ते आसतले त्या सेंटरांचे.
भायली कोण असतात?
भायले सेंटराक मे बी मेन कोच आसतलो तो वी वील थिंक अबाउट इट, बट एट द मोमेंट आमचे सगळे लोकलूच आसतले. वी आर ऑल्सो कन्सिडरिंग आवर जे रणजीचे कोचेस आहा, दे मायट गो अराउंड डे वन्स अ वीक और समथिंग, सो दॅट दे कॅन give some talks or motivate these coaches as well. Apart from that, Prakash Maikar, also our director, he will also go around. He will also keep accountability of all these coaches. Major difference between normal जे centers आता तुम्ही चालू आहा ते खबर आसतलो तुमकां in Goa. अपार्ट तेंच्या सेंटरान आमच्या सेंटरान एक बीग डिफरन्स आसतलो तो म्हटल्यार अकाउंटेबिलिटी हांगा आसतली. Players start of the season, end of the season, what is the difference in players' performance? That will be accounted. There are various parameters that Mr. Prakash Maikar has designed, which will be accounted. So एक डायरेक्शन ना अशें केन्ना जावचें ना. So it will be very directional, motivated आसतलो सामको आनी एका हितूर वयतलो.
Local coach कितले आहेत?
लोकल कोच ह्या वर्सा आमचे 13 क्वालिफाय जाला लेवल 1 खातीर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट वी हॅव आवर अदर कोचीस लेवल 2 कोचीस 18-20 पर्यंत जातले आमचे.
What about GCA elections? This time elections are scheduled, no? When it is?
उरला तेका 5-6 महिने.
500 million.
हय, सो we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Bhaskar's relation.
Hmm?
Bhaskar.
He's on contract.
Still is there.
He's there. Till May end his contract is there. So we are thinking of calling him again because त्याचा experience इतलो आहा, so it might count for under 16 also, under 19 also. So we are thinking of calling him again.
And Rajesh Khanna.
तो येतलो.
Must be introduced.
Introduce.